Hello my friends and welcome back to Tamada's table. Today we have fish on our menu and I'll show you how to make delicious trout in pomegranate sauce. Kalmakhi Brotseulis Tsvenshi. Let's start cooking. Georgia is predominantly mountainous country and rivers and streams provided a lot of opportunities for trout fishing, and that's how Georgians developed the taste for the tender white flesh of the trout. Here is my rainbow trout, which I already thoroughly washed and pan dried, but I'm not going to pan fry the fish yet. My first step will be to prepare the pomegranate sauce. And for pomegranate sauce, the main ingredient will be this large pomegranate. It's about 1 pound actually. See how large they can become? And we will be adding a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of garlic and a little bit of red onion and a pinch of cayenne or red chili pepper. Why? Because we don't want to overwhelm the pomegranate's taste. It's so delicious that you don't need too many ingredients in it. So let's start with making the pomegranate sauce. If you have your own ways to deseed the pomegranate, it's okay, and do it as you know it's convenient for you. I usually cut off this crown, and then you can see these natural ribs, right? So I slightly cut them. See, these are like natural ribs of the pomegranate, so you can cut them, and then, oh, voila, we have pomegranates. So I did it this way because I want to keep some pomegranates for garnishing the dish. So here is my large wooden spoon and it will help me to get seeds out of the pomegranate, because if you tap on the back of the pomegranate like that, you can see that the seeds are coming. And then you need to remove this membrane. We don't need this. And the seeds will be coming even more. Just put your apron, it's a little bit messy. So we're kind of beating, you know, the back of the pomegranate. And here my seeds, see, it's almost, the job is almost done. Great. Next step in making the pomegranate sauce is to crush the seeds, and I'll be using the food processor for that. Let's check. Now all this pulp, even here is juice, you know, and it's amazing. Already has amazing color, you know. That's why I love pomegranates, but I know that it's a lot of work with them, right, to make the juice. Spoon to do that. See, it's much better. So one large pomegranate like that gives you about ½ cup of juice only. Okay, nothing is left, it's dry. So now I can proceed and I will be adding ingredients to my pomegranate sauce, see? And it's natural, it's very good. Look at the color. You can cook so many delicious things with this juice. It's amazing, see? I'll mince garlic into the sauce. Again, we don't need a lot of garlic. Then very finely I will chop cilantro, because we need about 1 tablespoon of cilantro. And we need to chop this beautiful small red onion, so I will chop it very, very finely. You know, some cooks, they even mince it. So what's left in going into the sauce is a pinch of cayenne or red chili pepper, ground one, and see, it depends on your taste. This sauce should not be too spicy or too hot. That's my sauce is ready, and I will proceed to pan frying the fish. All I have to do is to season my rainbow trout, and very lightly I will be rubbing, you know, inside and outside with salt and some black pepper. And now let's coat it with flour very well, because we will be frying it in the olive oil. So I have done, just do it like that, you know, to pat off the excess flour, and my fish is ready to go to the skillet, but I need first to heat the skillet because I really need the hot oil for it. So here is my olive oil, which goes into the pan, and let's wait until the pan is hot. The rivers and streams, they produce trout, but Georgian cooks prefer to cook their fish very simply. All they do, pan fry or bake or grill the fish, and then they serve it with these delicious condiments and sauces of which Georgian cuisine is so famous, because we have a lot of sauces and condiments which we make from tomatoes and plums and other vegetables, and they are delicious. The oil is sizzling, the pan is hot, so it's time to put the trout into the pan. So I'll cook it until brown crispy on each side. So it takes about 5 minutes. I preheated the skillet on high medium, but now I will be reducing the heat to the medium because I don't want to burn the fish. So after 5 minutes I will turn my fish over. Oh, look at the golden. It's even not golden, it's like brown crust, right? And so cook it for another 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm checking on the other side. Yeah, I can give it another like 1 or 2 minutes because I really want it brown and crispy. So let's put the fish, it's ready, and let's put it on the plate. And now let's put the pomegranate sauce on the fish. Now I can a little bit open inside the fish and put some of this delicious marinade inside. Be careful not to break the fish. And actually your dish is ready. All you have to do now is to wait 10-15 minutes because the fish will be marinated in the sauce, and you can serve it warm. Georgians typically serve trout in pomegranate sauce, Kalmakhi Brotseulis Tsvenshi, with fried potatoes and salad. Now I'll show you how to make the delicious salad, which is the favorite salad of my daughter, and we make it very often, and you will like it too. So my base is the greens, which is baby spinach, but you can use any kind of greens as the base, whatever greens you like. It can be spring mix is very good, but I like baby spinach because you can keep it longer. Then I have cucumbers. So cut like long strips like that on both sides, because then they will look beautiful when you cut them. So like that. That's how Georgians do. This salad is not Georgian, but it's so good that I want just to share this recipe with you. I think you'll enjoy it very much. So now I will cut the cucumbers, and you can do it like that, or you can chop the veggies the way you like. So we have a lot of peppers here. I have red peppers, I have yellow peppers, I have orange peppers, because we put a lot of peppers in this salad. Chop the peppers as you wish. It's really up to you how to chop the vegetables. My peppers, and now I will be adding them to the salad. See? More colors, right? And I have more like yellow peppers. You can put any kind of peppers you like. Well, let's put the peppers into the bowl. See, we are adding more and more colors, so our salad will be so beautiful, colorful, and also very delicious. So now let's cut cherry tomatoes. We usually cut them like lengthwise, but you can also cut them like that, or don't cut at all. So this salad we use red onions because they are sweeter in taste, and you really need to slice them. Okay. The onion went to the bowl. See, you can even, a little bit rub the onion with your hands. And if the onion is too bitter, you can always put it in the cold water for about 10 minutes. And here is my sun-dried tomatoes I will be adding. That's excellent ingredient, one of the main ones. And I have also Kalamata olives, which I will be cutting in smaller pieces like that. And adding to the salad, and that's all. When we serve the salad on its own, we typically add some feta cheese to it, but today I'm not going to add feta cheese because I will be serving it with my fish, my trout. I sliced my olives and now they go also to the bowl. So that's my salad, it's ready. Now mix the salad. I made it in this large bowl because I want to mix the salad well, and actually this salad will be enough for 2-3 days if you don't add any dressing, and any type of dressing will do. It's up to you, but I like it with balsamic vinegar and I like it with the olive oil. That's all. Freshly ground black pepper. So today, my friends, we made trout in pomegranate sauce, Kalmakhi Brotseulis Tsvenshi. Here is my fish floating in the pomegranate sauce. Here is my garden salad, which I will be enjoying together with the fish. You can add a couple of more dishes, roasted or fried potatoes or boiled potatoes. And here is a glass of white dry Georgian wine, Tsitska, from Western Georgia, which I'll be enjoying with my trout. Kalmakhi to you, my friends, and thank you for watching Tamada's Table. If you like the recipe, please share with your family and friends. Come back for more recipes. We are posting every week. Bon appetit! Gabriela to mir to it.